Okay, folks, let's try this again. It's Walt Diego. It's still May the 20th, 2022, and I'm back in Tijuana. We headed back from Ensenada just to come back. Still got stuff to pack up and move, and Betta wants to stay here. You don't like it over there. It's okay, we'll figure out something. We're even going to miss this place. For 12 years we've been living here in this area, the Otay area, close to the border. Our family knows how to get over here. You know, it's something to think about, all this just to be closer to fishing, you know. I think the little lady's feeling a little homesick, a little nervous about moving to a new place. You got to start all over, get to know, you know, where you can sell stuff. That's the main thing. You know, sure, I can catch fish, but, you know, can we sell stuff for cash? You know, that's another thing. Here we can just pull up to any swap meet on any day and figure out, okay, what space to go selling and make money, you know, cash, efectivo. So, but here it's Friday afternoon. People are getting ready to, they're either going home for the day. Yeah, it looks like they're going home for the day over there. The tacos is finished, but I'm here getting my barbecued ribs. I love these barbecued ribs of the street here. They're really good for being in the calle. Okay, wow, it's listo for tres personas? For tres personas. Uno, dos. ¿Tú pones extra sauce? Extra salsa? Oh, por favor. Okay, gracias. Okay, folks, got to get back to business here. But it's nice to be able to buy food in the calle. Pulling in the wrong way right up to the front drive, front service. Can't do that just anywhere, especially in the United States. Okay, folks, I'll talk to you after a while.